Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the exclusive stamp set Happiness Surrounds, and this is the card that we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and we are using the Happiness Surrounds, and we're going to be using this big image, and It's Your Day. So I have this one mounted on clear block D, and I'm going to ink that up in the lovely lipstick. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with the Bermuda Bay, and I have that mounted on clear block A, and I just want to get that right here in the center. All right, and that is all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. So I'm going to do my embossing first, and I have the corrugated and a piece of Bermuda Bay. And this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, and I only need one because it's a dynamic folder. So I'm going to run that through. So just like that. All right, and I have the largest circle from the Stitched Framelits, Stitch Shapes Framelits, and then the largest scallop from the Layering Circles, and I have that on the lovely lipstick. Run those through. All right. Get these out of the way. All right, and then I have the lovely lipstick ribbon, and I'm going to put that across a couple of times. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And my card base is lovely lipstick, and it is cut 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm going to center this, and then I'm going to give it a good rub down. All right, and then I'm going to get our white piece, and we're going to layer it. just like that. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with some rhinestones. And my take your pick tool. And I'm going to put them down on these points right here. So, just like that, a quick and simple card to let somebody know it's their day. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!